How to turn off preloads and save data and battery. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going over a quick trick to stop apps from preloading stuff in the background and eating up your battery as well as mobile data. Let's get started. If you guys didn't know, many apps silently preload videos, feeds, and ads before you even open them. To stop that, you can go over to settings and then go to apps. Select the app that is preloading your information. So let's say if I don't want my Instagram feed to preload information, I can go over to Instagram, tap on it, go to mobile data, and from here you can just turn off allow background data users. Toggle this off and you'll be good to go. Go back and then go to storage. You can try to clear cache as well. And to stop its background battery activity, you can go to battery uses. Make sure that it's not selected to unrestricted. If you want to completely restrict it, tap on restricted and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.